Morning, Class 9 Social Science History, Chapter 1 Glorious India Bharat beginning to 206 AD. In a last topic, we are talking about major Mahajanpadas of India. Now we will talk about major Mahajanpads of Rajasthan. And in this topic, we will discuss about Jangal, Mahajanpad, Matsya Mahajanpad, Sursen, and Shivi Mahajanpad of Rajasthan. Before we start, I will show in a map where they are found in Rajasthan. It is easy for you that you can be understand ki where the Janpad found, Mahajanpad found in Rajasthan. Just like that, this Bikaner and Jodhpur part, these districts are known as the Jangal and Nagaur. This is the Nagaur and this is the capital of Jangal Mahajanpad. It means that in a ancient time, in a Mahajanpad, during the Mahajanpad periods, Bikaner in Jodhpur area, it is known as the Jangal area, and Nagaur is the capital of this Jangal Mahajanpad. Next one is a Matsya. Matsya Mahajanpad is found in Jaipur, Alwar, Bharatpur, and this area is known as the Matsya Mahajanpad, and the capital of Matsya was Berat, which is found in near the Jaipur. Next is a Sursena. Sursena is also found some parts of the Bharatpur, Dholpur, Karoli, and this area is known as the Sursena, and the Shivi is a Sursena, and Shivi is found in a Pakistan area. Now, I think you can be understand very well. Jangal Mahajanpad are expanded from where to where. Jangal, first we are discuss about Jangal, and this Janpad is also mentioned in Mahabharat. The present district of Bikaner and Jodhpur area, both states are known as the Jangal Desh in a Mahajanpad time, and Ahichhatrapur was its capital, which is presently called Nagaur, and I show in a map to you. And the king of the Bikaner, who was the owner of this Janpad, and it is also called himself as the Jangaldhar Badshah. It means that king of the Bikaner was the king of this Janpad. Next point is that we can be see nowadays also we can be see the Bikaner royal symbol. In a Bikaner royal symbol, we can be say it is written, it is inscribed Jai Jangal Dhar, and it is the total descriptions of the Jangal. Now we are discuss about the Matsya, and as we see in a map that the Matsya Mahajanpad is expanding in a Jaipur state, some part of Bharatpur, and now we will talk about that Matsya. The region surrounding present Jaipur was called Matsya Mahajanpad, and its expansions from the surrounding hills of Chambal to the Jangal regions of river Saraswati. It means some parts area. The expansions of Matsya was spreading from Chambal hills to the Jangal rivers, the region of where the Saraswati river was flowing, and some parts of the Alwar and the Bharatpur were included in Matsya Mahajanpad. And the capital of Matsya Mahajanpad was Viratnagar, which is presently known as the Berat. Now the next topic is said that firstly this Matsya Mahajanpad is included in a Chedi state. It is included in a beginning time. It was a part of the Chedi state. Afterwards, later become the part of the Magad Empire in the Bindusar times. When the Bindusar became the king of the Magad, that time Matsya Mahajanpad was merged into the Magad Empire. Now next one is a Sursena. Sursena, it is situated in the modern Brij region. Brij region is for mostly, I will explain about that in a map, Bharatpur area, mostly the Bharatpur area. So that Sursena, the expansions of the Sursena in a Brij regions, and the capital of Sursena was Mathura. And we can be found the Sursena descriptions in the Mahabharat also. It is said that that time Yadav dynasty was ruled here. In an ancient Greek author says its Sursena as a Shursenai and its capital Mathura as a Mithora. And in this Mahajanpad, the major parts of Bharatpur, Dholpur and Karoli districts came in it. So these are the parts included and they become the Shursena Mahajanpad. Now student, we will discuss about the next and the last major Mahajanpad of Rajasthan, Shivi. Shivi, presently it was found in a Pakistan, and then the capital of the Shivi Mahajanpad was the Shivipur, which is presently in Pakistan, and it is known as the Shore Court. And Shivi tribes. Shivi Mahajanpad are built emerged about that when the Shivi tribes of the southern Pras moved to Mewar region of Rajasthan, then settled here and the Shivi Mahajanpad was formed. It means that Mewar region means Udaipur district area, and Shivi tribes is a tribe which came from the southern Punjab to travel came from the southern Punjab when the Greek inventor was attacked again and again, so that they came here and they are settled down in a Mewar region of the Rajasthan, and they established the Shivi Mahajanpad in Rajasthan. Nagri, situated near the Chittorgarh, was its capital. Nagri, it is situated near the Chittorgarh. Chittorgarh, there is a place name where is the Nagri is situated. Nagri is also the name of the place where it is the second capital of Shivi. First is the Shivipur, which is found now in Pakistan, which is known as the Shore Court, and now this is the Nagri. Nagri is the second capital. Both are the correct answer. If anyone asks the questions to you that what is the capital of Shivi, if you say Shivipur, it is also correct, and Nagri, it is also correct. If they will come in your exams, so only one capital will come in your exams. Either Shivipur will come or Nagri will come, so that both capitals are the correct as a questions wise. Now next one is we can found and we get the information about the Shivi Mahajanpad by the Shivi coins, which are the excavated from many places of the Mewar. When the excavated, so they found the Shivi coins, and that time we can know about that the Shivi Mahajanpad. Next point is said that 5 caves addict. Cave addicts, it means that in a cave wall there is a written about the Shivi Mahajanpad. So 5 caves addicts we are found when the excavator excavated, and it is said that all these addict is written in a Brahmi scripts, and they say and these caves are found near the Mandsaur, and tell us about that expansions of the Janpad, the Shivi Mahajanpad. Mandsaur is situated in MP. So these caves addicts explain that Shivi Mahajanpad was the expand his areas, his border from the Mandsaur from MP. Now the student, these are the complete topic, all the major Mahajanpad of Rajasthan, and this is the backside question also there, and today homework is also there to you, that write down the major Mahajanpad of the Rajasthan. So please learn it very well and write down the all topics. Now we will discuss about the administration in Mahajanpads. It means that which types of the administration system found in a Mahajanpad periods. First is that in a Mahajanpad, mostly Mahajanpads are found in a republic way. In the Mahajanpads found in a republic system, republic administration system, but actually this administrative power was in the hand of the aristocratic families. Aristocratic families, it means mostly the administrative system, power was hand in on the rich families. They are doing the all discussion, they are taking all types of the decision by the aristocratic family persons. Next one is there was a general assembly. In a Mahajanpad periods, we are found a general assembly which is known as a Santgara Sabha. And Santgara Sabha is the very biggest and very most important Sabha in a Mahajanpad's time. And all the administrative affairs were handled by the chief of the Santgara and the representative of Sabha. Who was the representative of Sabha? Representative of the Sabha, which belong to the aristocratic family, rich family who has the famous, who have the established who have the importance in the society, they are the representative of this Sabha. And next one is that the member could express their opinion on specific issues. They were called Anyo Virod. So please note down Anyo Virod. Sometimes this will be come in a exam, these questions. What is a Anyo Virod? So that time you can be say that the definition, the answer of this one is that when the Santhagar Sabha's members express their opinion on the specific issue, this is known as the Anyo Virod. And it is very important when the representative give their views on any discussion, all the decisions are took by the multi-votes which were used in process of voting. It means that when there is a discussion and there is a result are there, so this result was accepted or not accepted, so this decision are taken by the multivars. The multivars, it means that who are the against, they are using the different colors, and who are the agree the decision, they have the different colors. So whose decisions, whose bars are the more than the discussion, the result, the agreement, we can be say the result, we can be the Santhagar Sabha was adopted. Okay, and this is the process of the voting. Just like that, we can be say in a modern time we have the voting system. Which person have the more votes, he was one, just like that this decision, which decision have the more multi-var, it is correct and it is adopted by the Santhagar Sabha. And in Mahajanpad periods, Santhagar Sabha was a supreme organization, as I say explain again. And now we will be talk about the reason of the decline of Mahajanpads. What is the reason so that these Mahajanpadas are declined, damaged, destroyed, and the dynasty system was a dynasty period was start. First and major reason are there mutual conflict and factions. Mutual conflict, it means that the Santhagar Sabha may be a Mahajanpadas person, highest person, high post person, they did not have accurate understanding. They do not believe each other, so that there is a mutual conflict was the emerge, and this is the reason of decline of Mahajanpad. Second reason is their formation of several groups. Formation of several groups, it means that in a Mahajanpad's time, the small groups are the built. They are established the small groups, and all the groups have their different views, different advice from there. This is the reason also declinations of Mahajanpad. Next, mutual misunderstanding, same is there. These groups have the misunderstanding each others, and this is also the reason of declination of Mahajanpad. Next is one expansionist policies of contemporary monarchies. Contemporary monarchy, it means that the leaders, the representative of main representative wanted to expand their area, expand their border, expand their area, so that this policy also the reason of the declinations of Mahajanpad. And students, it is a backside question also there, and this question will come in an exam in 4 marks. So that please write down the answer of this questions. Describe major Mahajanpadas of Rajasthan with the reason and administration systems are there. And second thing, all the notes you will write down and learn also. Thank you.